Hi everybody, Spencer over here at Bill Harris. I just want to talk to you about something a little bit different today, and that's how fun it can be to custom order your new vehicle. I currently have 3 new customers that wanted a new Ram RHO, and they came in, sat down with me, custom spec'd it out. Maybe they didn't want one that was completely loaded up, maybe they did, but they actually came in to sit down with me and build what they want. I also have a construction company who came in to build a tradesman that, because they didn't need any bells and whistles, they just wanted a solid work truck. The Jeep plant is actually here in Toledo, Ohio, so I have a lot of Jeep customers that order Wranglers, Gladiators, and they like the fact that it's built 2 hours away. The orders get picked up very quickly too. So I just wanted to welcome you. If you do want to sit down with somebody, custom order a vehicle, somebody who's been in the business for a few years as well, I'd love to help out. We have a great team here that knows these vehicles inside and out too. So if you already are working with somebody out here, want to custom order your vehicle, come on out and see us today. Maybe we'll get you a new ride.